Please be very cautious when you work on any propane heater. They are very dangerous and they can cause fire. This particular one is called Mr. Heater Buddy. I bought it used. When I tried to fire it up, it didn't work. And I tried again and again, follow the instruction, still didn't work. Sometimes though works for a few seconds or few minutes and then shuts off by itself. So this video just to show you easy way to surface how to fix it. There is the cover. It's holding by just a few screws, so you can just release them. Here I'm just trying to fire it up, as you can see after when I did the cleaning. And here we go, it just starts fine. Before I tried it, it didn't work at all, but this is just after when I did the cleaning, and then I'll show you in this video how I did it with just very simple, using air pick cleaner with the home medical use alcohol. Doesn't matter if it has to be 50% or 70% or 99%, maybe better. So to make it work, basically is just to hold the bottom for a few seconds until it fires up by itself. When you want to shut it off, press the red bottom and then it will shut off. Here, just to show you how I did it, a little bit alcohol. There is a very tiny small hole in the front where the small spark were to fire up the beginning, so that can be easy blocked with tiny particle dirt or so, and that's what caused it not making it work. In the back also, this is very important, where the propane shoots on the front of the heater so it can fire up. Also use a little bit air pick with a current, just soak it in alcohol and then start to clean it a little bit. Unless those the back tiny hole for the propane valve, if it's completely blocked with dirt or anything, then this method it cannot work. It needs to be maybe completely desample and then trying to use a small tiny needle to remove any dirt or any kind of particle stuck inside. This is you need a long, tiny, thin screwdriver bit, so you can reach all the way to the bottom of those screws. That's how simple it is. Please support this channel. Thank you for watching.